God has a definite agenda for your life.
Yes, we live. We live. Vous donnez ça, on connaît tout esprit positif yo vini là, on want to live. Right now, we live at Poetic Lakay. Lakay. Yeah, you already know Mecca is one of the soldiers doing it for a minute. Everything he touches, it's about, pushing the community forward. It's about progressiveness. So Mecca, man, this movement right here, this platform, man. What inspired this, man?
I think it's just all about connecting minds and just bringing great energy. I feel like poetry is great vibes, song, dance, people coming to, just bring a collective gain to the community. I can't do this by myself. Everybody's saying, yo, give it up for Mecca, and that's all cool and everything like that. I understand I'm the host, but if it wasn't for the soldiers that I got behind the scenes, in front of the scenes, helping me put chairs and tables out, move sofas out, you understand, hook up the mics and stuff like that, like there wouldn't be no Poetic Lakay. So I want to tell everybody that Poetic Lakay is not just my baby, but it's the community's baby. You know what I mean? Once you create something, you put it in space. It's not for you anymore. You understand? Hopefully somebody else takes over when it's time to pass the torch, so that we can have another cultural cultivating sessions like these right here that are mind stimulating. People go home like they learn something from the message of the people that give the poetry out. I love poetry nights. The soiree is a beautiful thing.
Tonight, give us a little bit of what Poetic Lakay is about. But can you sum it up? Tell the people what is Poetic Lakay?
Poetic Lakay is a platform for artists to come and express themselves in all walks of life. No matter what language you speak, this is your home. This is your living room. This is when you're home, you're comfortable. So when you come here, be comfortable. You can, off the top of the head, written work, somebody else's work. As long as you expressing, as long as you moving, as long as you stimulating, it's all good. That's what Poetic Lakay is.
It's been a year, right?
It's been 3 years, actually. Yeah, it's been a year since we celebrating Little Haiti's birthday. So Little Haiti, May 26th. Poetic Lakay just happened to drop on that same day. So I was fortunate enough to be able to celebrate Little Haiti's, the official naming of Little Haiti.
First year anniversary of it.
But we've been going strong 3 years, right in the heart of Little Haiti. Hashtag poetry in Little Haiti, Poetic Lakay poets, Poetic Lakay. And
I know, Mac, we're gonna have to have that sit down, but
definitely
briefly, like what it means to have Haitian Heritage Month. Not only being celebrated and respected, nationwide in the U.S. What does it mean?
It's a beautiful thing, because I remember at one time we were like ashamed to even like celebrate any part of our culture.
Think about it, Black History Month now, Haitian Heritage Month.
Haitian Heritage Month, man. We came a long way, but we still got a long way to go. Because
Absolutely.
This shouldn't even be a surprise.
Yeah.
And this 1 month right here is just like some scraps. We'll take that, but we're gonna formulate it and develop it into the whole 11 other months, and let people know that you're not just Haitian during the month of May. 18 May, mettez drapeau sous tête nous, comme ça, like. Some people don't even know what the coat of arms, like the emblems and everything like that means, or how they even came into being, you know what I mean? Like, nous sommes un peuple qui gagne force, you know what I mean? Ouais, parle mislan pour mi-temps, dans mi-temps drapeau, that's stability right there. Pas jamais on parle mis, non cyclone, pas jamais la tête.
No.
You know what I mean? What l'autre pied, bois, oak tree, apple tree, whatever. Toute racine, boom, bouleversé. But pas jamais on parle mis, unless it's dead, rotten or whatever. Parle mislan. L'a toujours campé. L'a fait un petit va-et-vient, boom, boom, whatever, but
l'a penché, mais pas tombé.
You know
what I mean? So we're gonna get back here. So we wanted to really capture a little bit of Poetic Lakay, and of course, everything gonna be on HMI Buzz, and we're gonna share the whole content on social media. Mac, man, we're coming back, but good stuff, man.
It's my brother Oz right here. I know for a long time, all right? HMI Buzz, big up, you know what I mean? HMI Buzz, big up. Mecca AKA Grimo. My brother Oz right here, been rocking for a long time, keeping the hip-hop Creole movement alive. And it is what it is, man. Poetic Lakay, next edition, Haitian Heritage Month. I'll see you the last Friday of June. Peace.
Peace.